the pleasure today to return to Braith Engineering in Ipswich on behalf of SolidCAM UK with Ben Miller.
Hi Gio.
Now Ben, this is an absolutely fantastic application, and we're going to be looking at the machining of a solid titanium billet, and they're going to be making a valve body for the oil and gas industry from this titanium grade 2 billet. But what I want to find out from you is the strategy that you've implemented and the time savings that you've achieved.
Yeah, so Braith approached us with this component and told us they were going to make it out of a solid titanium block, and asked us what we would recommend to use in the software. We recommended 3D eye machining to use this, so we've actually reduced the cycle time from days down to hours, so we're down to about 7 hours to rough the complete valve body using eye machining.
I mean, that's really impressive. I mean, days down to hours. I mean, that's astonishing, really. Can you tell our audience a little bit about the eye machining?
Yeah, so the eye machining strategy is an automated patented strategy from SolidCAM. We give it the tool data, we give it the material information, and it knows the machine's information from the post-processor. All that information is then used to calculate the speeds, feeds, the depth of cut automatically. The user doesn't need to worry about the speeds of feeds, the chip thickness and things. That's all done by the software, it's all driven from the back end.
So this is how it's saving the cycle time?
And that's how it's saving the cycle time. It's using the morphing tool strategy. We're also using a full flute length of the cutter, so full depth of cut, high speed and feed, rapid material removal rates.
And how important is, one, the machine tool, the work holding and the cutting tools?
Yeah, so the cutting tools and the work holding are really important. Getting a good premium carbide cutting tool always works better with eye machining. And also with the work holding, with the rigidity, we do have some controls in eye machining to adjust for the rigidity. If we've got the component held nice and strong, we can change the level of eye machining up towards the top. If the rigidity of the component and the work holding's not great, we can wind that down. So we're still using the benefits of eye machining and the high metal removal rates, just at a bit of a slower pace.
I've not heard that before. That's quite unique.
Yeah, so that's one of the uniqueness of our eye machining technology, is that we've got the control as well as the operation being automatic. We have the control to dial it up and down as we need to, and everything, all the conditions are still met.
Now let's move on to the machine tool, the Grob G350T. This is a full simultaneous 5th axis machine but with turning capability. Does this machine tool lend itself to SolidCAM?
Absolutely, yes. So we can fully support this machine. We've written a post-processor and fully tested it on site. So we can do the full simultaneous 5-axis. We've also added in the simultaneous turning, which we can fully support as well. So we can fully support this machine, no problems.
Quite a complex machine, you know, with all the capabilities that it has. How do the guys at Braith find the programming of SolidCAM? Is it user-friendly?
Yeah, SolidCAM is very user-friendly. All the operations in there are a very similar layout. Very easy to use. Eye machining is a few clicks away from getting toolpath all the time, with all the data that we've already put into there as well. And yeah, it shows really from Braith being able to use this software after only a couple of months of having it. They've had full training from us, and they have full dedicated support from us as well.
It's certainly an absolutely fantastic success story, and you can see some of the videos and the cutting footage from this video. Now, how important is the service and support from SolidCAM?
Service and support is very important to us in the UK, so this is all done from the UK by ourselves as well. So we have a full support team in the UK. We're very flexible, we can come on site, we can do remote support, etc. We also do all our post-processors here in the UK, so they're all developed by ourselves, delivered by ourselves as well, and fully tested here in the UK. We do also have a dedicated team of post specialists who would do any of the advanced post processors, so advanced mill turn, sliding head posts as well. That's all here in the UK and done by ourselves.
Brilliant, Ben. Ben, you've made it sound really easy. Congratulations on an absolutely fantastic application.
Thank you very much.